I have to talk about the washroom aspect because naturally ventilated, right?
Correct.
Ventilated light, and you might find those concepts in resorts or hotels.
Very
but
true, very true.
It is available for your house too. Hi everyone, welcome to Real Estate with Arun. Today I'm going to showcase a very interesting project which is in Sarjapur area by Modern Spaces. So I'm with Swati and I would like to get more detail about it because I just had a beautiful recce about the entire project and I found very interesting. And I found very unique things which is there compare with other projects in Bangalore. So can you just give me a brief idea about this project?
Yeah, sure, Harun. So coming to the location, we are in heart of Sarjapura. So again, talking about the connectivity, we are equidistant to all the happening IT hubs, that is in Electronic City, Whitefield and Outer Ring Road. It's about 30 to 40 minutes of drive which you have to take from our project. That is one of our USPs. So talking about connectivity today in Bangalore, you see like all the traffic and everything, people would be struggling to travel from one place to another one. So over here, it is equidistant to all the IT hubs. If the wife is working in Electronic City, if the husband is working in Whitefield or something, it's going to be about like 40 to 45 minutes of max drive with the traffic if you're considering. So talking about the project, as you mentioned, our project name is Solace by Modern Spaces. So we are coming up with a unique concept, that is we are constructing with MyOne, that is aluminium formwork technology. This is one of the unique technology where the villa which we are doing it. Coming to other developers, they go with RCC. And USPs of this is it will be more durable, and coming to the strength, it will be more than the RCC bricks which we do it. So this is one of the USP of our project. As I was talking to you about the connectivity, it is again more convenient for all these schools which are nearby. We have 10 plus international schools in and around with 5 kilometer radius. Yes. Yeah, that is one of our USP, and there is a lot of tech parks which is coming up in future. One is the Infosys, which is acquiring 300 acres of land parcel, and this is a happening area, to be very frank. Even if you look at this investment perspective, it's going to be a really good one, as STRR is about like 14 kilometers from our project. So this is going to be easy commute to all the other outskirts if you want to travel.
So what is the current development which is happening?
So the current development, if you're talking about, we have metro which is sanctioned from Sarjapura to Hebbal. That is red line of phase 3A. And you would be getting the handover by 2030.
2030 we will be getting that.
Yeah, the work has already started. The KPTCL work has already started. If people are traveling from Whitefield or Sarjapura, you can see the work which is happening right now.
Happening there. So metro is something which is of good access from here. And when it comes to this project, I would like to know about the area and also the...
So our project, it is spread over 26.5 acres of land parcel, where we have 266 villas. So that consists of 4 and 5 BHK villas, and all our villas elevation is of G+2. And coming to the specifications, we are providing G+2 elevation, and we are providing an inbuilt lift inside the villa, where it's hard to find, like builders also additionally charge. So that's all inclusively what we are providing, keeping in mind that parents would be staying together, as in like multi-generational ones you can consider. And we are also providing Italian marbles throughout the house. So it's not just like limited to only living or only in the ground floor. We are providing to the entire villa, the G+2 which we are constructing. That's one of the again USP where it gives more luxury segment to your villa when you're staying.
It's a community, right? It's
exactly.
A big
it's a community
of 26 acres with a lot of amenities inside.
We are providing 40 plus amenities, world class amenities which we are providing, and we are coming up with 40,000 square feet clubhouse. And it's going to be a massive clubhouse with beautiful landscaping we are coming up with. And if you talk about again phase 1, it's of to 26.5 acres land parcel. We are also again expanding for our phase 2. Yeah, that is also happening. So it's going to be a community of around 40 to 50 acres of land parcel.
And what is the typology available when it comes? You have exclusive 4 and 5.
4 and 5 BHK.
4 and 5 BHK. Got it. What will be the starting square feet?
So we have a 4 BHK which is on a plot area of 1809, where you'll be getting a build-up area of 4,200. Yeah, so this is going to be consisting of G+2 as I mentioned. And coming to 5 BHK, it is on a plot area of 2,300, and you'd be getting 4,200 plus build-up area.
Because being a realtor who totally focuses on apartment mostly, I found this area pretty spacious because when we just
Exactly.
having a tour, it was like you have a huge balcony right on the top,
Exactly.
which can be converted also
Yes.
for your personal use.
Yeah.
It's a huge balcony and you have a terrace. Sorry, not balcony, just a terrace. And
Yeah, even our balconies are pretty spacious if you look at it. For every room, we have managed to give a certain balcony space.
Got
So
it.
both our bedrooms in the first floor have balconies, and if you're going for the second floor, there is a huge terrace where some amount of portion which we have made it as covered park terrace, and we also have open terrace where you can do your gardening and stuff. So you can spend your evenings there. Yeah.
Great. And I found one more thing which is pretty great is the washrooms. I have to talk
Exactly,
about the washroom aspect
Yeah.
because naturally ventilated, right?
Correct.
Ventilated light, and you might find those concept in resorts or hotels.
Very
but
true, very true.
It is available for your house too. So these are, I think, this is pretty unique. It's not
Yes,
common
so
for.
we are having a concept, as I mentioned, it's like, it's mostly like a sustainable villa. So wherever, you are having it, you have to live your life, like the luxury life.
Got it.
So even in washrooms, what we have a concept is having a planter box in it. So it's like connecting with the nature, you can just find this in kind of luxury resorts, whereas in there is an open washroom which you have a shower there with the plants and things like that. So we have a prosperous sheet which is laid about
Which is there.
where it allows the light to seep in.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. And when it comes to current status of the construction, what is like? It's a finished.
So we are very nearing to the position. So we have set of villas which are ready to hand over now. So we have ready to move in villas, and the complete project is going to be handed over to you by June 2026 with your clubhouse, amenities, and the landscaping, everything together. And we have set of villas where you'll be getting it within 2-3 months, and set of rows which you'll be getting it in next 6 months. So the complete project is handed over by June 2026.
2026 it will be done. And you have phase 2 also, as you said.
Yes, we will be launching our phase 2 very soon.
Yeah. For a person who is new to Bangalore,
Yeah.
how will you explain Sarjapura as an area? Because we always speak about North Bangalore, the accessibility and all.
Okay.
When it comes to Sarjapura, it's Sarjapura, right?
Yes, it is Sarjapura.
Sarjapura area, what is the, you spoke about the development which is going to come in here, but what is the, why people are really investing more in this area? What is that?
See, as of now, if you talk about the land bank of Bangalore, the west is completely sold out, and coming to north it is developing now, and south is slowly developing. This is in between southeast. Sarjapura is basically between southeast, where you see for the developments and the community which is developing, and there is a lot of other developers are also acquiring land. And even coming to the land bank, there is huge land bank also which is available, and it's fastly growing compared to North Bangalore, as North and East Bangalore as the land bank which is available now, whereas Central Bangalore West is completely saturated.
Got it.
Yeah.
And it's closely connected to Whitefield also.
Exactly.
It's
just
close
about 25 to 30 minutes of drive from our project. Yeah.
So people who are looking in that area, they can consider this location.
Exactly. Even if you're talking about commute to airport and things, once the satellite ring road is up, as the phase 1 is already operational from Hoskote to Devnalli, the phase 2 would be pretty close by, as I mentioned. So if you hit this satellite ring road, it will be easy to commute as well, even for airport. So it's going to be hardly taking you about a hour's drive from here. So again, it's going to be easy for commuting.
Now, when it comes to the pricing, how is it placed? Like, I need to know about for the area and also for the project.
Understood. Talking about the pricing for 4 BHK, we are having a box price starting from 3.7 CR, whereas for a 5 BHK, we are quoting 5 CR. Yeah.
Okay. That's the square feet price is coming around?
Box price would be around 10,500 all inclusive. Yeah.
This includes the basic fittings and everything what we saw.
You will be getting the sanitary fittings and the marbles which I have mentioned. All these things.
Everything would be done. Perfect. So I think it has given a clear idea about the project and all. You have more projects also coming in pipeline.
Yes. We have about 8 projects in pipeline for next 2 quarters. So huge inventory is getting pumped in. About 15 million square feet is what we are coming up in next 2 quarters.
Got it.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.